Ask the Lord who loves you why he paints the sky clear blue. It's the way nature planned it.
Hi, welcome back to Maria's Kitchen. It's almost the end of December. It's going to be 2020, and I've got a super awesome smoothie to share with you. I'm so glad you tuned in today because you are going to love it. It's quick and easy too. You can even make it dressed the way I'm dressed for the holidays, and I'll be right back to share the ingredients with you. The name of the smoothie is called Relieve Anxiety Smoothie, and the very first ingredients you're going to need is almond milk, unsweetened with vanilla. You'll need some ginger. You can have real ginger or you can have pureed ginger. I'm going to use this one today, the pureed ginger. It's organic and you can get it in the vegetable section. You'll need spinach, 1 cup of spinach leaves, 1 apple, and it's going to be sliced up. You'll need a couple of ice cubes, and then you'll need some turmeric, ground turmeric, or you can use fresh if you'd like. You'll need 1 tablespoon of honey and a 1/2 cup of brewed green tea, 1/2 of an avocado, 1 heaping tablespoon of almonds, raw almonds, and then 1 cup of blueberries. I just want to share with you a few of the key ingredients in this smoothie that are proven to alleviate anxiety. Blueberries in this smoothie are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that have been proven to provide anxiety relief. When we are anxious or stressed, our bodies crave vitamin C to help repair and protect our cells. Avocado has vitamin B6, which influences mood and has positive effects on the nervous system. Also has vitamin E that is connected with cognition. Almonds contain magnesium, which are effective treatment for anxiety-related symptoms, as inadequate magnesium reduces the levels of our neurotransmitter serotonin in the brain. Here we go. I'm going to start loading my new Ninja up. 1 cup of spinach leaves, 1 cup of blueberries. I rinsed these and washed them. 1 cup of the unsweetened almond milk with vanilla, the 1/2 cup of brewed and cooled off green tea, the 1 cup of sliced apples. We've got 1/2 of an avocado, and that's going in there. We've got 1 tablespoon of almonds, kind of a heaping tablespoon. We've got 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and we've got the 1/2 teaspoon of the ginger puree. And then the last thing we're going to need is 1 tablespoon of honey, and we're going to get that in there, and it's going to taste so good. I really love this smoothie. I hope you adopt it and make it all year long. And 4 ice cubes, and I think we're ready to blend. Here we go. And I'm going to go ahead and pour it in here. I'm putting it in here because I want to show you something. If you want to serve it for a young kid, I'm going to fill mine up in this nice tall one. I had an idea that maybe you can do this to get your kids to take it and just put some whipped cream and then put a little blueberry on top and then a fun straw, and maybe they will attempt to drink it. It's delicious. You have to try it. And I'm going to have a really nice, relaxing evening. I'll be right back with the scripture of the day. The scripture today is Isaiah 26:3. You will keep him in perfect peace, all who trust in you, all whose thoughts are fixed and stayed on you. So make sure that you fix your thoughts on him and keep them there, and he will keep you in perfect peace. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed the show. I want you to give this a try. If you have something stressful coming up, I want you to make one of these and try it, and then let me know and put comments below how it worked for you. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and send subscribers my way, and I will see you next time. Have a great holiday.